RMS TrueView digital photography isn't intended to replace the minimum requirements of the existing standards, which is auto detect and other types of video inspection. What digital photography does is create a new standard, a higher level, a future-proof best practice so that researchers and trainers can retrain existing technicians and establish a new higher level baseline. RMS TrueView digital photography proves what's fairly obvious. The fiber optic connector, adapters, all of the components are three-dimensional structures. The primary surfaces are essential, and they're defined by IEC 61300 3.35. The secondary surfaces are the critical non-characterized surfaces. For example, the end face, the existing standard only considers 125, 150 micron radius. The secondary surfaces are the remaining area on the vertical, the horizontal, alignment sleeve, and adapter. All of these are critical to a properly cleaned connection, and by the way, to properly clean, always use a small amount of fiber optic grade cleaner in the solvent transfer process.